Entrepreneurship is the engine that drives innovation, economic growth, and job creation across the globe. At its core, entrepreneurship involves recognizing opportunities, taking calculated risks, and transforming ideas into viable businesses. An entrepreneurial attitude encompasses a mindset that embraces change, values creativity, and is resilient in the face of challenges. This attitude is crucial for both budding and seasoned entrepreneurs as it propels them towards success in their ventures. Understanding and cultivating this mindset is vital for anyone looking to thrive in the entrepreneurial ecosystem. Entrepreneurial competencies are the specific skills and attributes that enable individuals to perform effectively in entrepreneurial roles. These competencies are critical in navigating the complexities of starting and running a business. Below are 5 key entrepreneurial competencies. Decisiveness is the ability to make timely and effective decisions, often in the face of uncertainty. Entrepreneurs frequently encounter situations where swift decision-making is essential, whether it's seizing a market opportunity, resolving a conflict, or pivoting a business strategy. Decisive entrepreneurs weigh the pros and cons, assess the risks, and commit to a course of action without undue hesitation. This competency helps in maintaining momentum and capitalizing on fleeting opportunities. Initiative involves proactively taking action and being resourceful in pursuing business goals. Entrepreneurs with a strong sense of initiative do not wait for opportunities to come to them, instead, they create opportunities. This competency is marked by a willingness to go the extra mile, a readiness to explore new ideas, and the drive to turn concepts into reality. Initiative fuels innovation and helps entrepreneurs stay ahead of the competition. Interpersonal skills are crucial for building and maintaining relationships with customers, employees, investors, and other stakeholders. Effective communication, empathy, negotiation, and conflict resolution are all part of this competency. Entrepreneurs with strong interpersonal skills can inspire and motivate their teams, foster a positive work environment, and create a loyal customer base. These skills are essential for networking, partnership building, and overall business growth. Perseverance is the ability to stay focused and committed to business goals despite facing obstacles and setbacks. The entrepreneurial journey is fraught with challenges, and success often requires a long-term perspective and unwavering determination. Entrepreneurs who exhibit perseverance are resilient, able to adapt to changing circumstances, and continuously strive to overcome difficulties. This competency ensures that entrepreneurs do not give up easily and are prepared to weather the ups and downs of business life. Organizational skills involve the ability to plan, prioritize, and manage resources effectively. Entrepreneurs must juggle multiple tasks, set clear objectives, and ensure that projects are completed efficiently. Strong organizational skills help in maintaining order, optimizing processes, and ensuring that the business runs smoothly. This competency is crucial for time management, delegation, and overall operational efficiency. Cultivating an entrepreneurial attitude and developing essential competencies are fundamental to achieving success in the world of entrepreneurship. A positive and resilient mindset, coupled with decisive action, initiative, strong interpersonal relationships, perseverance, and effective organizational skills, can significantly enhance an entrepreneur's ability to navigate the complexities of starting and growing a business. By focusing on these attributes, aspiring entrepreneurs can build a solid foundation for their ventures and contribute to economic innovation and growth. Embracing the entrepreneurial journey with these competencies in mind paves the way for not only personal success but also a lasting impact on society.